We are onto our third barefoot workout. For this one, we're going to use the ball and we're going to use the band. And do you know what? If you haven't got any of them around you right now, you can still do it. You can still do the whole thing without. It won't make a huge amount of difference, yep? So, well, it will make a bit, but you can still do your workout, is what I'm trying to say. A bit of resistance is good, but if you haven't got any, then it's better than not doing anything at all. So, I want you to go into a lunge position. We're going to put the right leg back. I put the band around my back, yes? So you don't need any attachment sides, just stick it around your back. Wind it around one hand, and I want you to put it into your right hand, yeah? Have the band nice and taut, and we're going to lunge directly down and up. Are you ready? Keep your weight into the back leg as well as into the front heel, and we're just lunging down and up. Now I'm going to press my right arm forwards. Now as I press my right arm forwards, I'm alternating the left arm forwards, yeah? So we've got this nice rotational movement around the waist. Give me 8 more singles. Keep your weight back, squeeze into your right buttock. It's good, well done. Perfect. And if you look at me from the side, you want to see that my body is going straight down and up, yeah? Okay, now we're going to go 3 counts down. 3, 2, 1, and back up. 3, 2, 1, and back up. Now, as you're doing this, keep your weight into the back leg and squeeze your right buttock. Yeah, now give me 3 counts down. Sorry, we're doing 3 counts. Keep going on 3. Give me 1 more and 3, and then we're going to go to 7 counts down. Are you ready? Here we go. 7, 6, 5. Now, I don't know about you, but my arm is starting to fatigue. Ooh. Now, 7 again, 2 more and 7. How about the legs? Are you feeling it? I know I am. It's good. 1 more and 7, yeah? And then we're going to go down into our lunge. Keep your torso vertical. Keep nice and upright. Now, give me 8 single counts. Let's really push that right arm. Now wind your waist up. Breathe. It's good. Perfect. Give me 4 more. Work those shoulder blades down. Keep your back up nice and upright. Lifting through your core, and you're there. Okay, now you can drop your band. We're going to go to the back of our mats, and we're going to do what I call the inchworm. Now this involves dropping down, coming forwards, going back, and lifting up. Now I'm doing a modified version at the moment where my knees are going down to the floor, yeah? Now you can do that, or you can go into a full plank position as you do it. So you're coming forwards, you squeeze your buttocks, and you keep your back up nice and tall. So I'm doing it at a nice, easy tempo at the moment, but what we're gonna do is go a little bit faster after you've done 2 more. So drop down, extend, come back, actually 1 more. We're going to go for it right now. So let's pump up the pace. Now you don't have to go at the same pace as me, and I'm having the option to add in a jump. Again, you can just squat up, yeah? Now what's really important is that you do that squat and lift, squeezing into your buttocks, lifting into your core. Remember that optional jump. So you got it there if you want it, yeah? Give me 4 more. 3. Keep it going, keep it going. 2. And 1 more. Now come down to the floor. So this sequence is all about the chest. Yeah, so left hand onto the ball, right hand onto the floor. But we want to work the whole body. So I'm also going to extend the left leg up. We're doing 8 presses to one side, and as you press down, your leg goes up and you think about using your core. Give me 4 more to this side. Now really importantly, I'm really lifting through my core muscles, through my center. Now I'm going to change sides. So you press down up. Now squeeze into your buttock. I'm not pushing my leg up, it's going up as I press, but I am squeezing my bottom. So the focus is on pulling your leg out from your hip socket. Change sides, give me 4 presses. 4. Now we want to add some jumping to the upper body. Watch. So you drop down, yeah? Now if you don't have a ball, just do it on the floor, that's absolutely fine. Yeah, 4, 3, 2, squeeze into your bum, lifting through your center. Again, 4, 3, 2, we're switching to 2s. I'm not letting this go into my back, yeah? I'm using my core tightly, so I want you to do the same. I did 4 again, never mind. Let's do another one of 4, then we'll go to 2s. How are you doing out there? I keep changing my mind, don't I? Okay, you ready? Let's go for 2s now. And switch. And switch. 2 more on 2s. Now you will need a mat underneath your knees for this, just to warn you. Now let's go to singles. Now I want you to really push off from your ball or from the floor. It's good. It's good. Push. Push. 2 more. 1 more. And you're there. Well done. Grab your band. Let's do the other side. Are you ready? Put it into the other arm. So this time, right leg forward, left leg behind. Make sure you're in that vertical position. So as you lunge down, you keep your weight into the back, balls of feet at the back leg, and into the heel of the front leg. I'll get there in the end. Press forwards. Well, you can tell I'm working out because I can't speak anymore. How are you doing? All right, keep it going. Give me 8 more of these. So go 8, 7, pushing forward, 6. Now check your lunges. The front knee needs to stay in alignment with the foot, shouldn't be knocking in. And you need to keep that weight into the heel. Now go 3 down, heel of the front leg and the ball of the back leg. Again, 3, 2, 1. And again, 3, 2, 1. And again, 3, 2, 1. 2 more on 3s. Push, push. Keep that band taut. Now lift your pelvic floor and your belly in as you press forward. Yeah, lift them inwards towards your spine. It's good. Now give me 7. Go 7, 6, 5, 4. Straighten your arm, straighten it, pull. Again, go 7, 6. Then you're going to stay down and we're going to do 8 singles. Are you ready? 8 singles. Go 8, 7, 6. Now squeeze your left buttock. Lift in your core. Lift up your pelvic floor. Stop a fart, stop a wee. Lift your belly in. You got it. Well done. Okay, back into the back of your mat. Remember what I call those inchworms? It's kind of like a burpee. Yep. But a bit more modified, so you've got the choice to work at different pace. So let's start off with a lower pace and work our way up for those of you that want to go there. So you drop down into a crouch position, and if you look at my back here, my back's nice and long. Yeah, put my bottom right down. You come forwards onto the knees, you come back, and then you press through and you squat up. Yeah, let's try it again. Down. Then the option is to do it with the knees off the floor and go into a plank position. Let's do it 1 more slowly. You're doing well. Yep. Okay, let's go up tempo. Are you ready? Here we go. Option to jump it. No, you don't have to jump, obviously. But you do have to count through, even if you're going at a different pace, 8 more movements. So 8 more from here. Now if you're going slower, you keep counting in your own time. Ignore what I'm doing. Just make sure you complete 8. I've got another 6. How many more have you got to do? Come on. Keep it going. I've got 4 more. Keep breathing it through. 3 more. Remember, you don't have to jump. You can just lift. Make sure you're squatting through, bending those knees. Last one. And yeah, well done. Let's come down and do a little bit of ab work. Okay, so I'm going to put my hands onto the ball. And you can do this with your knees firmly on the floor and just activate your core with your knees underneath you. Or you can take the knees up and hold, yeah, in a plank position, or legs straight. So you find your version. You've always got the option to put your knees down if it gets too much, yeah? Breathe. Squeeze into your core muscles. Work your shoulder blades down the back of your rib cage. Hold, 8, 7, 6, 5, keep lifting your center, 4 more. We're going to go into a side plank position, 2 and 1. So I'm going onto the side, so I'm going to put my right hand down onto the floor, left knee on the floor, right knee on the floor, lift the left hand up. Level 1, knee on the floor. Level 2, foot off the floor with knee on the floor. Level 3, full plank position. Push your hips forward, squeeze your buttocks, think of straight lines. So you lift in through your core, you lift your bottom rib up off the floor, and you breathe. It's good, well done. Keep lifting your center, keep breathing. Now I'm going to change sides. So remember the levels. Lifting up through, Working the shoulders down, breathing, squeeze your buttocks, lift into your center, keep breathing. Now I keep on changing because I'm showing you different levels. Now what I see a lot of people doing is just copying me exactly. I don't want you to do that. I want you to work to your level. So I'm going to stop now. What's your level? Go to it now. Make sure you're on your level. You should be challenging yourself in that side plank position. Stay there. Don't move. Don't follow me. Use your core. Lift into your center. Squeeze your buttocks. Own it. Well done. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. You made it. Another barefoot workout done. Yay! Getting closer to Christmas. Fantastic stuff. Remember to like this video, but most importantly, put your comments and say, I've done it, Jane. And tell me any feedback you want. Give me some feedback. I want to know how you're getting on. Well done. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy it, please do like and subscribe. And obviously you can make comments as well, because any comments you make will help us to make further content that you like. Hope to see you again soon.